Hey team user, want to keep your message organized and clear in Microsoft Teams? Today I'll show you how to add bullet points in Microsoft Teams. Let's get started. The first way to add bullet point is with keyboard shortcut. Just type dash followed by space. This creates a bullet point. Asterisk followed by space. This also creates a bullet point. One dot followed by space creates a number list. Press Shift plus Enter to add a new line inside the same message. Already have a list? Just copy and paste from Microsoft Word, Notepad, and other text editor. If formatting look weird, click right and choose Paste on plain text. Now you know how to add bullet points in Microsoft Teams. If this was helpful, hit the like button. Don't forget to comment down and subscribe for more Microsoft Teams tips. And thank you for watching.